Hey guys, welcome to another money saving DIY or how to. So guys, I know you guys get these in the mail, flyers, just unnecessary advertisements, all of the above, and then you don't use them. Some people just toss them. I used to just recycle them, but then I thought about it. I said, I remember back in the days, I used to always wash my mirrors and my glass with this paper. So let's not throw it out. And I've been doing this for a while. So I wanted to share this video with you because you don't even need to use this one time. And I'm going to show you this. This has been used 4 times. I stuff it right back in this little bucket under my sink, and I grab it and I grab my DIY glass cleaner and I use it until it literally falls apart. Guess what? It gets better the softer that it gets. It literally shines even better the softer that it gets. So do not throw your paper out. Don't look for no special microfiber cloths. There's no need for it. Even if they're at the Dollar Tree, like, this is free. We saving coins, right? Hold on. So here's my space where I do hair. And like all my hair products are down underneath there. And so I just got done doing some lock extensions. So here is a greasy area, okay? So I'm going to take my DIY cleaner and my already used newspaper, and I'm going to clean it and show you how shiny this becomes. Hold on. So let's get close. We got hair, grease, oil from my spray, just all types of nastiness, right? Let's clean this up. First of all, this is it, and it is just vinegar, water, and alcohol, and a little bit of lemon juice in here, just a tad, just to give it a lemon fragrance, and that's it. That's my DIY glass cleaner. I'll put the measurements below. I'll try to remember. If I forget, let me know so I can put the link down below. So everything is removed, and I'm going to spray and let that sit for a couple seconds, and then we're just going to wipe it up and show you how good this paper works. And like I said, it's crazy. It's reusable newspaper. Do not toss it. Do not toss it. I promise you, I used it several times. It does an amazing job. And with me using oils and stuff, y'all see that? Come on now. With me using the oils and stuff, listen. This newspaper is going to be used about a good 4 or 5 more times. Literally. I wanted you guys to see this for yourself. All that streak-free shine, aerosol can stuff. You don't need to buy that. All you need is some newspaper in your DIY glass cleaner. I hope this helps. And I'm going to throw this back under my counter. And I can use this for a minute. And then I still can throw this in a recycling bin after I'm done. So it gets used. And you can still recycle it. Let me see. I see some little... Yeah, we need it nice and shiny. This stuff is no joke. When I tell you it's no joke, it's no joke. So yeah, and that's the newspaper shining it. Look like you're looking straight at it, right? All right, guys, I hope this was a great video. I hope this was something that'll save you some coins and you can share this with someone else. Make sure you share my channel. Check through my DIYs and my how-tos. Your girl's always showing you how to save a coin and do things for the low, inexpensively. All right, talk to you guys later, and I will see you in the next video. Later, kids.